Well, you can normally be happening to see your YouTube homepage with this notification. And the main reasons to that are you may turn on incognito mode or clear old watch history. Alright, in fact YouTube itself recommends different videos based on the watch history or the search one. However, if you click on menu on the left top, then you will find the history section among there. Now as shown here, these are videos previously watched, and if you really wanna delete all history, go to manage history option. So here, tap the delete button, then based upon the time range, it will delete all of the watched videos in the history. Alright, therefore, get back to homepage and you will see nothing as we follow the proper method to delete the watched history. But only this notification now is here that saying try searching to get videos. And it all means that the new YouTube feature needs people with videos based on, and that's why it is saying here start watching videos to help us build a feed of videos you will love. So in order to figure this out, search for any video that is always the best for you, then spend about 5 to 10 seconds on that video. Finally, close YouTube at all. After that, get back to it again to check out how it's really solved. Hope you get this clear, and that's all for today.